Let's go for a walk. Nee. Ooh. I want to swim in there. I wonder if the water is warm or cool. Right. Le Moulin de la Mer. This one's a windmill of the sea. It's beautiful here.
Kijk uit, op het pad op de weg.
I think some pigs are here. You can see the grass is all down. See, the grass is all flat here, so I think some boars or pigs are here, or maybe some deers. Here you can also see some mud. Maybe an animal has been laying down there. There's also water over there, but I cannot really see it. But there's definitely some wild animals here. And this walk will be around 2 hours, I think. So we left around 10 in the morning for a 5-minute drive. And now we are walking for, I think, 2 or maybe 3 hours. And it's really nice here. It's so silent and calm. We have not seen any people at all. So it's perfect. Oh, Wil, zie je nou?
Is dat een muis? Oh, door.
Jullie zijn nog net door. Ja. Je zei alleen net als door bij. Nee.
Ja, ik denk dat een van jullie opgestaan heeft. Hey, let's run up here. Because when you run, it's easier, I think. We made it.
Door.
Waarom lieg je dat je geen drinken had?
We were sitting on the beach over there yesterday.
Het is mooi hoor.
It's beautiful here. It's a great view up here. And yesterday we were behind that big rock over there. So we were actually on the next beach. But it does look alike. You like it here?
Yes.
Let's go to the jungle.
Ja, wacht, hou je benen bij elkaar. Mama. Mama.
De andere boom. Van de ladder. Ze gaat ook gelijk schuin.
Oh, het huid hier wel. Zo, dit is vet cool.
Ik wil nog leuk. Ik wil ook nog leuk. Ja, dat 3 keer leuk. Hij moet, dit is echt leuk.
Hey. Hey. I was looking at someone's home, but there is something. Some huge ferns. Are you tired, Fleur?
Hij gaat op je springen.
I think so.
Waarom liepen jullie naar achter?
Vogel, jongen. Omdat hij ons al heeft gezien en hij nu bijna gaat wegvliegen.
Wat als ik er eentje meeneem naar huis?
We've been walking for 1.5 hours and the girls are tired as
For real. Voor je boeken.
and we are almost back. Just did some groceries. Lovely weather. First time here, some rain. We're cooking inside today because of the rain. So because of the rain we had to cook inside today, but it actually worked. The food was great and we had some steak as well for Fleur and me. And I hope that it is going to be a little bit drier this evening. And otherwise we will just watch a movie in the tent or something. And tomorrow it will be better weather again, so we will be fine.